If you look at your shaded apartment balcony and think nothing can grow there, this video is your turning point. The biggest myth in urban gardening is that you need direct sunlight to grow real food. You don't. Most leafy vegetables, herbs, and greens are biologically programmed to thrive in the shade. And today, we are counting down 7 scientifically selected vegetables that don't just survive in low light. They produce sweeter, more tender, and more nutritious harvests because of it. Stay until the end. I'm sharing a free bonus trick to double your balcony's usable light using nothing but household materials. Hit subscribe and let's get into the countdown. Number 7. Spinach. Opening our countdown is one of the most nutritionally dense crops available to the urban apartment grower, spinach. Container setup: use a window box or shallow grow tray, just 5 to 6 inches deep. Pack plants 3 to 4 inches apart and grow it through the cool months, late autumn, winter, and early spring, for the fastest results. The science. Spinach is classified by botanists as a facultative shade plant, meaning it doesn't just tolerate low light, it actively upgrades its own chemistry in response to it. Under shade, its leaf cells produce a significantly higher concentration of chlorophyll per unit of tissue, making every leaf darker, more nutrient-dense, and richer in iron, folate, and vitamin K. Research from the University of California, Davis confirms that shade-grown spinach maintains superior nutritional density while producing leaves that are measurably softer and more tender, because reduced UV exposure means fewer bitter oxalic acid compounds in the leaf tissue. Direct sun is actually spinach's biggest enemy. It triggers bolting within days. Your dark balcony keeps the soil cool and the harvest window open for months. Number 6. Arugula. At number 6 is a gourmet salad green whose entire flavor profile is dramatically improved by the absence of sunlight. Arugula. Container. Setup: a simple window box or recycled planter 5 to 6 inches deep. Sow seeds directly every 2 to 3 weeks for a continuous rolling harvest under your balcony overhang. The science. Arugula's peppery bite comes from compounds called isothiocyanates. Under direct sun, the plant produces these at an extreme rate as a survival defense, resulting in leaves that are overwhelmingly bitter and tough. In the cool, permanent shade of your balcony, that chemical synthesis slows to a controlled rate, producing leaves that are beautifully tender with a perfectly balanced gourmet quality flavor. The University of Illinois Extension confirms that shading arugula extends the vegetative harvest window by up to 200%, keeping the plant in leaf production for months before it ever attempts to bolt. Number 5. Swiss chard. At number 5 is the most visually spectacular plant on this list, one that literally gets more beautiful the darker it grows. Swiss chard. Container. Setup: use a container at least 8 to 10 inches deep. Harvest only the outermost stalks, leaving the center crown intact. One well-maintained plant will keep producing for up to 9 months straight. The science. When Swiss chard detects low light, it activates 2 responses. First, it expands its leaf surface area to catch more photons. Second, it floods its stems and veins with pigments called betalains, light-harvesting molecules that cause those extraordinary shades of ruby red, neon orange, and chrome yellow. These colors are not just beautiful, they are a direct indicator of peak nutritional concentration. Data from the University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources confirms that Swiss chard achieves its maximum vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium levels with just 3 to 4 hours of indirect ambient light per day. The more vivid the color, the better your shaded balcony is doing its job. Number 4. Loose-leaf lettuce. At number 4 is the fastest and most beginner-friendly crop on this entire countdown, loose-leaf lettuce. Container setup: just 4 to 5 inches deep, one of the shallowest requirements of any vegetable. Use the cut-and-come-again method. Harvest outer leaves, leave the center, and the plant regrows week after week from a single planting. The science. Lettuce's primary enemy is soil temperature. When the root zone inside a container exceeds 24 degrees Celsius, the plant bolts, shooting up a woody flower stalk and turning completely bitter and inedible. On a sun-exposed balcony, a dark plastic pot can hit this temperature within days of warm weather arriving. Your shaded balcony suppresses both heat and excess photoperiod exposure simultaneously, keeping the plant in its productive vegetative state. The Cornell University Cooperative Extension documents that loose-leaf lettuce in 40 to 60% shade produces leaves with measurably higher phenolic antioxidant concentrations than full-sun plants and stays harvestable for several months longer.
Number 3. Bok Choy. At number 3 is the most foolproof crop for any north-facing or covered apartment balcony, Bok Choy. Container setup, just 6 to 8 inches deep. It matures in 45 to 60 days, which means you can run multiple succession plantings in a single cool season and dramatically multiply your total yield from the same containers. The science. When a dark plastic container sits under direct sun, solar radiation heats the pot walls far above the ambient air temperature. At root level, this heat triggers the release of phloragen, the plant hormone that initiates bolting. The plant abandons leaf production, sends up a bitter flower stalk, and becomes inedible within days. A shaded balcony eliminates this entirely. Without direct radiation, container soil temperatures stay cool and stable. The phloragen response never fires, and the plant stays locked in a productive, succulent vegetative state. The Cornell University Extension confirms that Asian brassicas maintain heavy vegetative growth in partial shade with no measurable decline in vitamin C or antioxidant levels. Number 2. Cilantro. At number 2 is the herb that almost every beginner fails to grow, and the failure always comes down to the same mistake: too much sun. Cilantro. Container setup, a shallow window box 6 to 8 inches deep. Sow a small batch of seeds every 2 to 3 weeks to maintain a continuous rolling supply throughout the cool months. The science: cilantro bolts in response to 2 triggers: long photoperiod and high soil temperature. When either exceeds its threshold, the plant fires into reproductive mode within days. A permanently shaded balcony suppresses both triggers simultaneously, tricking the plant's internal clock into believing it is living in a permanent early spring. The University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources confirms that properly shaded cilantro extends its leaf harvest lifespan by up to 300% compared to full sun plants. Beyond yield, the cooler environment slows the evaporation of the plant's volatile aromatic oils from the leaf surface, meaning shade-grown cilantro is not just longer lasting, it is measurably more fragrant and flavorful. Number 1. Microgreens. And at number 1, the crop that doesn't just tolerate low light, but is biologically independent of sunlight entirely. Microgreens. Container setup, a shallow tray, just 1.5 to 2 inches deep, filled with damp coconut coir or even a moistened paper towel. No balcony required. Kitchen counter, bookshelf, dark cabinet for germination, 365 days a year, entirely indoors. The science: microgreens are harvested at the cotyledon stage, 7 to 14 days after germination, before the plant shifts to photosynthesis as its primary energy source. At this stage, the seedling feeds entirely on the concentrated nutrient reserves stored inside the seed's endosperm. It is a self-powered biological engine. It does not need sunlight to grow. A landmark study from the USDA Agricultural Research Service found that microgreens contain up to 40 times higher concentrations of vitamins and nutrients compared to their mature counterparts, because you are harvesting at the moment of peak nutrient density, before the plant has diluted those reserves across months of growth.